I want to be very clear, sir. Enipa pi yen election yekui and so you should religion. And so bati ni ewura Bawumia ka say Zongo for se beto amame. Zongo for se beto amame Samuel Etimia. For the first time in the history of our country, it came a Zongo ministry. The next 4 years now be agency. Because Ewura Bawumia went to me, I so and these are very, very clear things.
Wow.
Because not
Zongo ministry tends to be an agency. A failure.
We couldn't perform. For the first time, you lose terribly in the Zongo community. Terribly. Do that research and get on to tell me the next time you meet me. Eti want to me deliver. Now, and go to for crown. No movie say Ewura Bawumia. What do you want to
Oh, really?
Oh. Now, Cramonia, when you come in, obedient. I mean, was I will call baby or Fadam. I said, go away, go.
Cramonia, when you come in, obedient.
Yes.
Now, I had a.
Now, Yabra John Mahama. Or call Crabodamo, as more catching unim. Now, you can be one of the people can say, oh, we're pending or quite sorry. Before someone running, what in Christodam. If you want to grow for a crown, one more, you tell you on by 20 because you want to have more.
When you could come in,
not too bad. What I'm saying is, when you even go to the north, yes, you are the north in Bush, Baba. North Bush, Baba. Go to the records.
I see.
Gay say again or honor on the accord of the individuals who contested.
I see.
So we have records are between the 6 years of only 2, about 4 of them, the presidential, we went down. A parliamentary, it is a parliamentary ninya more HM presidential, a chess or no one standing and way. Yadam Yakasa, Yadin Yamaguni Penny, when a yana through over to Amaya. What difference does it make? Well, why is she a Drew Cramoniso? And they said, Drew a Tigaraso. What is it? These are wrong things. Ghana here only pop about Saman College, Aman Perifojma, Amajuma beer. Yeah, if you will be a Casa, near Casa, as you drew Simniso, drew Hawaso, drew Cremoniso. And then we busau. Take out for so many.
Over time, I don't know about it. If it was the next 20 years. Oh, my, a concert.